Okay, students, I want to show you how to do a Google Doc file for your homework. I don't want you to use MS Word. I don't want you to use Hunsoft, that's HWP files. I don't want you to use PDF files. Okay, so please use Google Docs. Okay, this is how you can do it. Okay, so first you go to your Google Drive. Okay, go to your Google Drive, and then you will see your file will be somewhere here. Okay, so your folder. So here I'm opening my folder here. That will be your name there. Okay, and then you're going to, in here you can right click and you can click here, Google Docs. I know it will be in Hangul on your computer, but you can find that easily. Right, then you just put in your homework. Okay, that's your homework, and then you're gonna name it. Now I like you to name simple names. So like homework 1, just call it homework 1. So HW1. Okay, homework 2, Okay, because it's easy for me to see your file like that. Okay, and then that's all. Okay, now that's all. Or you can close this here, and there your file is nice and ready for me to see it. And that's it. Okay, so please, I say again, don't use MS Word, don't use PDFs, don't use HWP, that's the Korean Microsoft Word program. Just use the Google Docs. Thank you.